Hello Panthers! Today I want to show you how to download, install, and use OneDrive on your iPad. First thing we want to do is find Self-Service app on our iPad. Looks like this. Inside Self-Service, you're going to scroll down until you find the app that says Microsoft OneDrive and has a picture of a blue cloud. My app shows that it needs to be reinstalled, where I previously had the app installed. Yours will probably say install. Either way, click on it and get it installed on the device. Once installed, go ahead and open the app and it'll take you to the sign-in. This is where you'll type in your school email, followed by your password. For students, it'll say @stu.k12.wv.us at the end of the address. This is where we're going to put in our password, which you should have access to. If you need it, see Mr. Richards at school. Now that you're logged into OneDrive, you'll see that there might be files already there from the previous year. Go ahead and close out OneDrive because now we're going to get it to work with our iPad. Go to the Files folder, and you'll see on the left-hand side there's a Locations, and we have Cloud Drive on my iPad. We need to change that, so we're going to go to those three dots in the top right corner, top left corner there, and hit Edit Sidebar. And now it's going to give you options to turn on. You'll see the OneDrive option. You're going to go ahead and click that to green and click Done. Now you'll have the option to save things to your OneDrive and make new folders to organize your thoughts a little better. As you can see, mine's a bit messy right now. I got to work on cleaning that up. Now let's take a look at how we can save files to our OneDrive from our iPad. So I have a file on my iPad called Pirates vs. Panthers. I want to take that and put it on my OneDrive. I'll go to Select the file I want, and then go down to the bottom and hit Share. Now I'll find the OneDrive app, click on it, and then choose the location of where I'd like this file to be. For this instance, I'm just going to put it in my main file folder and hit Upload. Once it finishes uploading, it'll notify me that the upload was successful. Another way that we can move files from one system to the other is by selecting the file, and instead of clicking Share, we're going to click Move. Now we have the option to go through our OneDrive folders and select a place that we would like this file to go. I want this keynote to go to my Documents folder under Files. So I go to Files and then Documents. Then I hit Copy. And this will copy the file over to OneDrive. And now if I go look in my OneDrive and hit Files, and scroll down to Documents, and you'll see that the file is right there at the bottom. I hope this helps. Have a great day, and go Panthers!